Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to download Proton VPN on PC. So let's start. I'm here on Google and write just here VPN Proton. Okay, we go to the official page that is Proton VPN. Here you can check all the features that have VPN information, whatever you want to check. And then if you want to get it, just click on get Proton VPN, just click here, and well, as you can see, this VPN you have to pay for a plan, so you can select 1 month plan, 2 year plan, and 1 year plan. So this is the price. For example, this is 49 euros, and this is 99 euros, and 1 month plan it's 10 euros, almost 10 euros. So you can click here on get 1 month plan, and then you can click here on your email address that you want to use for your Proton VPN. Then when you do it, just check out and you can pay by PayPal or credit card. If you want to use a credit card, just write here your information, your country and zip code, and then just pay it. But if you want to use PayPal, well, you have to start login with your PayPal account and pay with PayPal your VPN plan. This is how you can get Proton VPN for your laptop or PC. As you see, well, you have to pay, but it's a good service from Proton. You can get it, and it's very simple to use. So I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give a thumbs up to this video.